So we want to simplify the following. Now the first one is just the multiplication law. And remember, with that law, as you saw in the intro, we just add the indices. So that's just y to the power 7. Now with the second example here, remember that 2p cubed means 2 times p cubed. Now you don't have to go through every one of these steps yourselves, but if I rewrite it with all of the multiplication signs back in, we know that when we multiply things, the order doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is pull the two numbers to the front and the p's to the back. And then 2 times 3 is 6. And then I'm applying this index law here, so we'll add these and we'll get p to the 10. And then, of course, for good algebra, we leave out that multiplication sign. The next one's very, very similar. So let's put all the multipliers in. So, like so. And then we'll bring the numbers to the front. Bring the p's together. Remember, p itself just means p to the 1. And bring the q's together. So that's going to be q cubed times q to the 4. And then we've got 8. Using this index law over here, we get p to the 3. And the same index law again, we get q to the 7. Now finally over here, so 28 is 4 times 7. On the bottom there, 35 is 5 times 7. Then we've got p cubed q to the 4 and p squared q to the 7. So what I can do with the numbers is cancel a 7. So I haven't dealt with the letters yet. I've got 4p cubed q to the 4, and I've got 5p squared q to the 7. Now when dividing, we subtract indices. So I've got a 3 here and a 2 here. We subtract 3 take away 2 is 1. So that's going to be 4p. Now a couple of different ways of dealing with the bottom. But here what I'm going to do, because the larger number is on the bottom, I'm going to do 7 take away 4, which is 3, and have that q cubed on the bottom.